Hello Christmas crafters, welcome to another video from Create at Home with G and Create at Home with Elf Creations here on YouTube. Today is another Christmas in July video. If you're wondering what this is, in fact I have two. I have this one and I have this one. I have got these plastic coins which I'm going to be using during my Victorian, Dickensian, Ebenezer Scrooge Christmas Carol themed Christmas, which I'm doing of Christmas 2020. And what I did is I blue tacked them onto this 12 by 12 piece of card, and then I spray painted them so they were more kind of, well, real looking, for a better term. And this was left over, and I just thought that this was too nice to throw away, so I'm going to turn these into some designer paper. And I've got the copper one here, and I'm going to use these stamp sets. These are two stamp sets from my stash. They're both by Do Crafts. This is Create Christmas, and this is Paper Mania Do Crafts, and this is Folk Christmas. Two 4x4 stamp sets that I've just got in my stash. And I'm going to be using browns and blacks and possibly some golds. I've got them all pre-mounted, and I'm going to stamp on this cardstock. So let's make it into some designer paper, in essence anyway. Let's hope it works. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another video and turn them into Christmas cards. So I'm hoping this brown will show up quite well. I don't want it to be kind of loud and obnoxious. But one thing I do want is my images to go on and off the page, and I'm not bothered in which direction they go, because that's one of the key things about designer paper, because the images go in multiple directions. Let's do one in the black. So I'm using VersaFine, and I'm using the Nuvo Hybrid Acorn Brown, just so you are aware. Oops, I just stamped it in the wrong place. These particular bauble ornaments are not silicone, and they are squidging as I push down, which is distorting the stamp image slightly, but that could also be due to the surface. Okay, let's go in with some of these sentiments. Happy New Year. Let's do Noel in the brown. Now this particular stamp set stamps better, it doesn't squish down as much. So I'm guessing they use a better quality acrylic. I'm guessing these are oh, I've done it again. I stamped it in the wrong. I'm guessing some of these are acrylic stamps rather than what's the other version? We have acrylic stamps, and what's the other? Poly something. I can't think what it is. Let me know in the comments, crafters, if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, this one says peace and joy. I've got another ornament here, and I've got some snowflakes as well, which I am going to disperse in throughout. I'm quite liking the copper, the black and the brown. I really like that. I think I might just keep to that. But, I think some gold would be nice. Maybe some gold with these snowflakes. Let's do the small one in black, and then I've got a larger snowflake. Let's see how that would look in the black. I bet that in the gold, I bet that'd be quite nice. I think the spray paint is having an effect on the stamping, which is understandable because it's a gloss stamp spray paint. But I just don't want to waste this. I don't want to waste it. Right, where is my gold? Right, I've got my cold, and this is a pigment ink, so it may not come up as well. No, it really doesn't show at all. Okay. I wonder if the silver will show. Yep. The silver shows up. Okay, crafter, so that's that one. I'm going to put that to one side to dry. And I'm going to bring over the silver. And I don't think I want to use the same images, so I'm going to clean up my stamps and try out some alternatives. Let me just clean this mess up. Okay, so I have this stamp set which was sent to me. I don't have the packaging, I'm afraid, but it's a gorgeous stamp set. I think I'm going to use these images, and I think I'm going to use kind of traditional red and green. And I'm going to use my Artiste pigment inks. Bring over my paper. As you can see, this one's slightly damaged, so I will concentrate more on this side, so when I cut it, it still looks like it's overhanging. So I've got the red and I have the green. Nice traditional looking red and green. The red one doesn't show up very well. I may have to change that. Let's have a look. Maybe let's have a look. I've got the poppy. Maybe that will work. The Nuvo Hybrid Red Poppy. Let's try that, because I really want to try and get a bit of red on here. Yeah, that shows up much better. Bring over our Santa. These images are much larger than the assortment of images I used in the last page, so I'm probably not going to get as many on here. Merry Christmas with the holly. Okay, now I think I want to put the sleigh on. Should have done the sleigh in the green, really. We've got some snowflakes. Let's put some green snowflakes in. Oops. My snowflake is not sticking to my acrylic block, so it's getting stuck on the it's getting stuck on the ink pad. Look, I'll show you. Oh, now it's not doing it. What's this? Oh, some holly. Let's put some holly in here. And then, like I say, I'm going to transform these into Christmas cards, so that will be probably be a bonus video. Sorry crafters, my battery died. You didn't miss anything. I think I'm going to keep that one as it is now, and then I'm going to let these dry, and then I will record the Christmas card video using these. So there's the silver and there's the copper. I think the copper one is definitely is my favorite, but I'm going to leave these for 24 hours to dry, and then I will do another video with these on. Actually, what I'll do is I'm going to make this video not a Christmas in July video, even though it is coming out in July. I'll make this a video that is with Donna Jackson's 24 weeks of Christmas hop challenge that she's doing, her and Angie from AB Designs. So that's Donna Jackson from Craftsmore with Donna Jackson and Angie from AB Designs. So I'm going to make this my first video. This will be out this week, this Thursday, because their challenge is out every Thursday right up now until Christmas, hence the 24 weeks till Christmas. And I said I would participate when I can, so this works for that. So I'm going to make that video, and then I will have my Christmas in July video out, which you would have already seen because that would be going out this Tuesday. Oh my gosh, I'm making it so more complicated than it needs to be. You'll get videos from me, crafters. That's all you need to know. I'll see you all soon. Take care now. Hello Christmas crafters, welcome to another 3